Ramogi TV.
Iko jotenda siasa e pacho ka mondo miorwak twak kaka achiel kuom yore mag tieko pogruok e kindgi kaka jotelo kendo jiwo kwe kind oganda.
Ela makende e kanisa mar jokopere ma Kibuye Parish, Commissioner mar jotend Obila e alwora ma Nyanza Zipora Moroa owacho ni kata obedo ni seche moko oganda nyaka pogre paro, twak en yo makare manyalo geng'o rakruok e kind Obila gi jopiny kata e kind jopiny giwegi kaluwore koda josiasa magiluwo.
Magino wachi lao mano kelo kanyakla apisas magarita mawuok e counties ma Siaya kod Kisumu.
En lamo ma itimo higa ka higa mar jiwo tich makare kind Obila kod tudruok mowinjore e kind Obila gi jopiny.
For he has delivered the life of the needy from the hand of evildoers. One man, Jesus Christ, abounded for many.
The dignity of work, we make us co-creators in the world.
Let us stand for something, some values. Because we are told, if you do not stand for something, you will fall for anything. Anything that comes by. You may be senior, junior, parent, a child, a leader, a politician, a priest, a catechist, a sister, anything. If you do not have something, some values that makes you stand, you will fall for anything that comes by. So for our officers, be the kind of soldier that God is looking for. One who is faithful, one who is available, one who is fearless, one who is willing, one who is incorruptible, and one who is able. Start for the values, start for God's commandments.
As a country, we have had serious challenges, many challenges. We have differed in many fronts, and especially our political differences. But this team sitting right here, Madam Chief Guest, are really the glue that have held this country together. Because, in all our differences, you, together with your colleagues who are not here, have always risen up for our beloved country, Kenya.
If we all thought in the same manner, then we would say that we are not normal. So it is normal for all of us to think differently. But I would like to ask our leaders to embrace dialogue. It works wonders. Sometimes when we have to go to the streets and fight there, we all lose. We all lose. We lose. Sometimes we destroy our property. Sometimes we lose our officers, and that is not in the interest of any Kenyan. I wish, therefore, to request all our leaders to embrace dialogue